that there is so much confusion on the ground.
No confusion at all.
We need to have an extended timeline which is reasonable, which will actually give fairness on the ground. My lords has from the beginning said that there are so many actual details which they have not thought through, which are now surfacing. In this timeline, people will fall through the cracks. And
This is the problem that is happening. And as my lord, it was pointed out that this Aadhar, they didn't accept for those 7.24 crore people. In fact,
There is no
in fact-
affidavit of this,
in
Mulot. I
fact-
don't know, Mulot,
in
what
fact,
these figures.
according to the Election Commission statement last time.
But we will find
only
out and
one-
tell your lordships. Mulot,
Only
that
1
it's
crore
not false.
people out of 5 crore voters who were required to give some documents have given even a single document. 1 out of 5. Therefore, now the real question will arise. However, the booth level officers have already written recommended, not recommended on the forms.
That's not
And we
relevant.
have given,
That we can clarify irrespective of the recommendation made.
yes.
Their names will continue in the draft list.
It's not necessary, Mulot. Why? Because every enumeration form submitted, irrespective of Mulot, has been Mulot put on the draft roll.
Draft rules.
Yes, sir, that is, Lordship may record that is irrelevant. Lordship may record it. His recommendation or
Then, my lord,
non-recommendation.
if your lordship just sees the workload we have given at
Oh,
page 26 of this, just see how they are going. They are saying, today also the statement is made that before excluding anybody from the draft roll, in the final
Your
roll,
Lordship may have this matter, your Lordship may have this matter on by 10th or 15th September. I will give your Lordship the picture
how will
that
this-
there is no exclusion at all. If
formula.
nobody is being excluded, then what's
there
the
was a
problem?
testing formula given. Where is
not
the
have-
formula for verification when
They
this
still have a
was an
problem.
inquiry? Where is that timeline?
Let
My
us-
lords may just consider two things. One is the document. My lords have said it from the first day, and I think they need to make it issue a press release. They issue many press releases every day, which is very good. They should issue a press release vis-a-vis the document. The second being on the
Today,
timeline.
Thing will
Given-
disrupt the exercise.
It's a very, it's a
They want to
disruptive
disrupt
exercise
the-
just now, given the fact that there is so much confusion on the ground.
No confusion
The-
at all.
we need to have an extended timeline which is reasonable, which will actually give fairness on the ground. My lords has from the beginning said that it is about the voter.
What it appears to be, Rajiv, is that if these political parties had realized their responsibility, by now probably.
My lords, let's not, let
person.
ordinary voter not get caught in the tussle.
That's what
This.
I'm saying. Local person-
The voter in India is not reliant on a political party.
See,
But the other
if the
problem is this. my lord.
voter ultimately will rely upon, they will
So let
ultimately
us
have.
assume, my lord, that the PLAs had got involved in this exercise and had submitted claims on behalf of these people, etc. What will happen to this 7.24 crores whose forms they say they have collected, out of whom only 20% people have submitted even a single document? Yet 12% are not recommended by the PLO, and they say that we will, however, before removing anybody, we will give them a personal hearing. Now see how many forms he has to scrutinize. Page 26, I have given the statistics of this. They say forms to be scrutinized by an average ERO per day. 4, 6, 7, 8. This is the figure per day. Per day. Now, and thereafter he will grant hearing to each person.
Let us see how much manpower they have and how they.
Their whole thing is specified. They have 12 additional EROs.
Let's do the work, Mulot. I mean, this will never,
well-
it will frustrate everything.
And for that, for those 12, my lord,
That's their game plan.
according to the manual of the EC, each of those 12 can maximum scrutinize 3,000 forms in the period which is available. And yet, my lord, they are supposed to scrutinize 36,000 per day. It is impossible.
ADR has not come forward with one person to be enrolled.
At the end, my lord, arbiter.
But they are shouting here, they know everything on ground from
will
Delhi.
Delete names from the final electoral roll and no recourse will be left to the citizen to contest that because thereafter the elections are due.
Lords, I'm appearing.
My
but
lords,
22 points, my lords,
my
I'm
note
saying-
is on record. My lords would kindly see one thing.
If your lordship
Mr.
will
Bhushan-
find such a great fraud, your lordship can stop it. Lord. I don't understand this.
Well,
Let us
Mr.
complete
Bhushan
the-
has repeatedly pointed out that now if you want to be included, you have to bring Form 6 plus declaration form plus documents. My lords would kindly see, I am in the 2003 roll. Inadvertently, and I've given examples from Supal district. I have moved the booth rationalization has caused me to be deleted from both booths because each BLO thought I've now gone to the other one. What do I have to do now? I cannot even take advantage of 2003. There are so many actual details which they have not thought through, which are now surfacing. In this timeline, people will fall through the cracks and then large figures are being quoted.
Let's see the crack first.
We are bringing it to the court's attention,
Where is
not
that
the
one?
ground.
I'm
Let us,
appearing.
let
Lords,
us
I'm
see
only-
that ultimately what picture will emerge. Today are also we are adding something more to the direction and let us see then after that
My lords, please come on for a minute, Lords.
Suggestion, since you only take the process forward, Dr.
we will consider.
Just in terms of how the process can be
You
taken.
please go to the local BLOs and authorities, submit whatever you have. If they don't accept online,
That's
please.
Lords, I'm appearing for the political party. Lords, I'm only suggesting.
Screenshot from the ECI website, and I have a suggestion on how that website can be more informative, so that a lot of these issues can be resolved.
Yes,
Just give it a minute.
You give it to us.
Give to
I
Mr.
don't
Dwivedi.
understand.
I think they should immediately, if there is a good suggestion, they must be open to accept it. Why not?
We will have to scrutinize all this, not this.
Yes, Madam Fauzi, I was saying something.
You will just let me, I'll not take more than a minute. Lordship will just see the screenshot of the website. Lordship, whether it is the person who is deleted or it is the person who is included. When you enter the epic number on the ECI website and you get this details of either the deleted or the dead person, there is no entry on what documents this person has supplied for a person who is included.
Yes.
There is no entry for when a Lordship will just see the screenshots, but page 6 onward.
You are indicating that you submit one document, apply it, because we are mainly concerned that somebody
How
should
will
fail.
be record of that?
Yes, record
There is no record. There is no record
No receipts.
of any document supplied by any.
No acknowledgement, no acknowledgement receipt being given. No acknowledgement receipt of
Page
case.
6 onward, page 6
All right.
onward.
Let
Let
this website show.
Let the website just show which document is filed by which person, so that tomorrow at least when we say that Aadhar has been submitted and they deny it, it won't be I say, he says. It's there on the website by epic number for each voter that I have submitted my form. These are the 3 documents or 2 documents I've supplied, and whether my form is rejected or accepted it should not be for them to deny on bold statements or even for me to make on bold statements. Let it be visible on the website.
No, that's
And
only-
that's the right of the voter.
There's only 2 points, Lords.
All right.
These deleted list has been kept at the Panchayat office only on 18th of July. So 3 days have passed. Only 3 days, the third.
On 18th of August.
Only
18th of
3
August.
days have passed, and we've seen from the statistics
17.
that the numbers of objections have increased. We're only requesting if the timeline need to be extended so that people know and they can arrange their affairs and file these documents. That's point number 1. Second, Lords.